Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. I was able to take a close-up look of the new Huawei Mate 20 RS Porsche Edition. As you can see, it has the same Leica lenses as the standard Mate 20 Pro, exactly the same lenses except they're made this slightly thicker, and it does mean the lenses are flush, as you can see, which I quite like. That's quite a nice effect. Also, I quite like the two leather strips that you have either side of the rear back glass panel. Otherwise, this is a near identical device, with the only exception being that it has, instead of 6 gig of RAM, it has 8 and two options of storage, 256 gig storage, and also you have 512 gig of storage, which is for China, and that also comes in China in the red, which I've got red leather, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So we're just running through the different themes, and I must say that I wasn't too sure about these themes. I think the themes that come on the standard Mate 20 Pro actually look better. But if you do like these, you will find someone will find a way of extracting them off the phone so you can have them on your Mate 20 Pro as well. But these are the exclusive themes that Porsche Design had made for this particular phone. I say the main differences between this and the standard is the extra RAM, extra storage. Otherwise, absolutely identical specs to the Mate 20 Pro. Exclusive to China, here's the red version that I'm holding. I actually prefer the red. It's just annoying that this is only an exclusive colour to China. I don't know why they can't sell either or in all territories. That is particularly annoying. Anyway, this is part of all my Huawei Mate 20 Pro coverage. If you've got any questions, do hit me up in the comments. Lots more stuff coming on the Mate 20 Pro exclusive in articles and closer looks at particular features. So if there's anything you do want to be covered, let me know. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye for now.